Exercise 1.29. Let's have a look at this exercise. This looks like a simple exercise. We just need to create a new sheet, name it 1.29, and then write down all the necessary information. And here we have 3 cells that requires formulas. Let me see. Let's give it a color to make it more visible. So here we have the total amount, and this total amount should be a sum of A2 to B4. So this is what we have in total. Okay, 87, and let's make the formatting the same as the screenshot on the syllabus, so 2 decimals. Now we have the total amount, and the VAT is based on the VAT percentage. We already have experience calculating the VAT. That's the total amount times the VAT percentage. We have the VAT amount, and in the end we would have the total amount plus the VAT as the total with VAT. So 103.53. So far so good. We don't have anything else instructed for 1.29, but I would like to give you a little bit extra. So what we call it as a name tag is that if this list became so long, then we don't want to have all the range to be selected. What we can do is that we can select the range of the figures and give it a name. For example, here under data, under formulas, we would have the define name part. Depend on your screen. If your screen is smaller, probably you will only see a few icons. So find the define name button and click on it. We can give a name called drink for the cell A1 to A4. Yes. So every time when I click on this range, here it will show the name drink. And for this part, of course, we should call it the name food. Please be aware now we don't have a name. And if we define the name, okay, automatically it detects probably we want to call it food. If you want to call it something else, feel free. So click OK. We have this range to be called drink and that range to be called food. You can also click into the name manager to see what names that you already have. So you can delete them, you can add new ones, you can edit them. If you want to have an overview, go to the name manager. So what we can do with the names is that, for example, here we selected the whole range from A2 to B4. But we can also replace it with drink as number 1. You see the drink range already selected, and the food range, and we can have the sum of these 2 ranges just like that. So that's the function of defining names. Alright, so far we finished all the exercise of chapter 1. Congratulations. I'll see you in the upcoming videos of mock exams.